and welcome back to my channel. This is a bonus video for this week and I created this look right here. So if you are someone who's working from home during this quarantine and if you want a very quick makeup look for you to feel put together, or if you have a meeting to attend, then you can recreate this look. I have just used 5 or 6 products. You can definitely use this with whatever you have. So if you want to know how you can create this look, then please continue watching. So I'm just gonna start by putting my hair into a ponytail. So for your face makeup, I would ask you to moisturize your skin very well and then use a compact powder of your skin tone and just apply it all over your face and neck to just even out your skin tone. But if you are someone who has dark circles or under eye bags, then use a concealer that matches your skin tone. Use just a little bit and then use your compact powder to set your face. So I'm just going to be showing you with the concealer. I'll apply a little bit under my eyes and then set it with this compact powder. So for the next step, take a blush and then apply it just on your cheeks, just a little bit, to give your cheeks that flush of color, because right now your face would look completely flat and a blush would just bring back those color. And I'm just going to be using the Sugar Mini Blush. So that's it for the face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to be using a Colorbar kajal to line my lower waterline. And before that, I just want to brush my eyebrows to give it some definition. So I'm just going to be taking the eyebrows spoolie brush for that. So the next step I would suggest you use is a mascara, because again a mascara opens up your eyes just like how a kajal does. So for today I'm going to use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So once you're done with your mascara, the last step is a lipstick. And for minimalistic makeup like this, I would suggest you go for a mauvish neutral color or a brownish orangish kind of color. You can anyways go with whatever lipstick that you like. But my suggestions would be the Maybelline Touch of Spice. This is from their Creamy Matte range. It looks something like this. And the other option that I would suggest is from Nykaa. This is from the Ultra Matte range. This is in the shade Jane. So I would apply both of this and show you how this looks on my skin tone. Obviously you can go for reds or pinks or neutrals or whatever color that you like. that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. This is definitely a very minimalistic and simple look to recreate. So if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in your Insta stories. I will leave my handle in the description box below. So until next time, stay safe everybody. Bye.